Hey there, students. Here's a quick video to show how to find the standard deviation when you have a frequency that's given to you, a frequency table that's given to you with classes or bins. So instead of them just giving you all the data directly, they give you a summary of the data that's already been written out in a frequency table. The problem is from our Chapter 3 assignment, homework number 3. This is problem number 28. And so they give you this formula for standard deviation, and then they ask for the standard deviation. As usual, we do not want to use the formula. We'd like to do this in StatCrunch. And we can see there are bins here, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and they're showing us the frequencies in the bins. So we go to the data icon here, and we say open in StatCrunch. And when we do that, we'll get one column that has the bins in it, and we'll have another column that has the frequency of the data in each of those bins. So before, when they actually just gave us all the data, we would go to Stat, Summary Stats, and we would go to Columns. But in this case, because we have a couple of columns and one of them has the bins, we go below columns down to the grouped or binned data. Since the data's already been grouped, we're going to use grouped or binned data. So I go Stat, Summary Stats, Grouped or Binned Data. So then in this case, we select the column that has the bin descriptions in it, which is the interval. And then we select the column that has the counts or the frequency in it, which is labeled frequency. And then we can get whatever we want. I'll just click Standard Deviation and Compute. So this way, I got the standard deviation for the data that was given to us already separated into classes in a frequency distribution table. So I select that. I'm supposed to round to one decimal place, so 12.68 would end up being 12.7, so I'll copy that over, change the 6 to a 7, and check my answer. And so that's it. I just wanted to show folks that because a student asked about it. And if you look it up on the internet, you might find some other way to do this, but sometimes they're a little bit more complicated and sometimes the answer gets off a little bit. I think this is the most easy and direct way to get the correct answer for trying to find a standard deviation for class or binned data. Keep up the hard work. Good luck.